Hey, what's up producers, Bruce Mennel here, back on the channel. Today I'll be walking you through the steps of setting up Ableton Live and Maschine so you can control Ableton Transport using your Maschine MK3 controller. It's a straightforward process beginning with the controller editor. In Applications, go to Native Instruments and then to the controller editor. Launch the application and within the Factory Template tab, opt for Mackie Control and activate the Host Transport control. Now let's move on to Ableton Live. Open it up and head straight to Preferences. Locate the Link Tempo MIDI tab and in the Control Surface section, add Mackie Control. For the input, select Maschine MK3 Virtual Input, and for the output, choose Maschine MK3 Virtual Output. Next, the MIDI ports. Here you will need to activate both track and remote for the Mackie Control Maschine MK3 Virtual Input and Output. And that's it, you're all set to create electrifying beats. Don't forget to like, hit subscribe, and dive into this video to uncover the secrets of crafting impactful, professional-grade techno kicks that will elevate your tracks to the next level.